Hi, good evening. My name is Amirtha from Politeknik Ungku Omar. Together with my colleague, Hasliza, we will be presenting to you our content development project using Google Site as a learning platform for work-based learning module in Mechanical Engineering Department of Politeknik Ungku Omar. Work-based learning is a structured learning approach that provides students with real-world experience with the guidance of industrial supervisor in Politeknik Ungku Omar. This WBL is conducted involving three parties, which is students, industry mentors, and Polytechnic lecturers. It is conducted for a duration of 10 months, which is equivalent to 2 semesters. Throughout this duration, the students are required to learn from their industrial mentors as well as take modules prepared by Polytechnic. For each module, a course lecturer is assigned to the teaching and learning process. Since students are placed at different places during work-based learning, all course lecturers utilize e-learning platform for their teaching purpose. For work-based learning module, course lecturers prefers the usage of asynchronous learning as it provides students control over their learning experience and allows them the flexibility to study at their own schedule. Course lecturers currently they use different platforms for different courses. The issue that arises from using different platforms is that students need to keep track of different application and platform for different modules, causing sometimes miscommunication and missing of details while they are sending in assessments and also taking notes. Other than that, students, when they are using applications such as WhatsApp and Telegram for their e-learning classes, students have a habit of asking for the same task again and again. This happens because the student have deleted or missed out on their instructions given previously by their lecturers via that particular application. Other than that, it also causes an issue with the lecturers whereby there is no centralized system for the collection of documentation for the supervising lecturers. Another issue that often happens is that course lecturers have to face problem of keeping track of documents as students and supervising lecturers send their documents via different applications and platforms. For the purpose of this project, we have developed a Google Site platform for work-based learning modules, which is centralized for the usage of students and staffs. And next, we have done an analysis on the students' perception on the effectiveness of the Google Site as a learning platform. The project involves three phases, which is the development phase, followed by the implementation phase of G-Site, and finally, the student survey. For the development phase, we have obtained input on the content. Okay, this is done via using a focus group method, which involves 5 lecturers and 3 students who were previously involved in work-based learning, teaching and learning process. Then, the development of Google Site is done by the researcher throughout September 2021, and later for the implementation phase, it was implemented to students and lecturers for a time period of October 2021 till January 2022. As the panel can see on the slide, this is the landing page and also the the platforms that has been developed for our WBLG site. Okay, as you can see on your left hand side is our landing page. Okay, where the students can get access to all the subjects, followed by the middle part shows you what can be seen for each subject, okay, which is synopsis, module, and also assessment, followed by their videos to further explain, and also a platform for the students to upload all their assessments and for the lecturers to upload their assessments as well.
The next phase is the analysis phase, where the questionnaire was distributed to the student by using the online survey. Then the respondents is 48. Then the data was then coded and key in into the computer by using SPSS. The Likert scale were measured for all the items to express the statement of the agreement. The reliability value of the instruments was in the range of 0.927 to 0.942. The result indicate that the Cromba alpha for the variables were reliable, which are above 0.6. The value of each Cromba alpha are ranged from 0.927 to 0.942. The result conclude that the measurement scales of the variables were stable to measure the variables under study. For the descriptive statistic of respondent attitudes, we can see the overall mean is 3.1117, which is agree to the statement, shows that the respondent are ready in terms of attitude on online learning in their institution. This is due to they are able to the point that they are able to deal with the new norm of learning method, and it will bring benefit and convenience to them. For the descriptive statistic of respondent perceived usefulness of e-learning, overall respondents agree that perceived usefulness of e-learning, which shows that the overall mean is 3.0093. Therefore, respondents are assumed to be prepared to use online learning in their learning institution, which is Polytechnic. Descriptive statistic of student perception on online learning. Overall, most of respondents agree that online learning will provide new and more opportunities for learning, where the mean is 3.1441. Students in higher learning institutions should take the opportunities to get more experience and knowledge in online learning in their norms of education environment. We can conclude that the study shows that the work-based learning Google Sites platform has been successfully developed and implemented to the targeted students and lecturers. Data shows that the platform is well received by the students, and they also find the platform is useful, effective, and also efficient in helping them in their learning process. For further study, we can analyze the efficiency of the WPL Google Sites from the lecturer's perspective. So that's all. Thank you.